actually. And then they have the option, there's a fork in the road, you can play the game, or you can go to the storybook. Most kids will probably go straight to the game. But I made a book nonetheless, and that sort of gives them directions on how the game works.
Ready Freddy, the red blood cell, 3D, the storybook. Touch the arrow to turn the pages. This is Ready Freddy, the red blood cell. Ready Freddy has a story to tell. In this story, we will tell Ready Freddy has the power of the white blood cell. With neutrophil and antibodies, he fights off microbes that are unhealthy and naughty.
This page actually has an interaction with the exact. No fire. So at least we'll get a feel for that.
Ready Freddy protects the heart. This is where healthy blood flows and restarts.
Here you see the red and blue hemoglobin and blood flow. That was a big challenge here.
One of its foes is the common cold. It will get you sick if you're young or old.
So if they tap Freddy here, he fires on the common cold, but in the story, he's invincible, so he just glares at him.
The free radical is a cell that is sent from a bad place and needs antioxidant. The flu bug makes the body sick and feel hot. And once it starts, it is hard to stop.
Look out, it's coming your way, don't get sick.
Now help Ready Freddy save the day. You can even use 3D glasses to play.
Okay, here we'll go into the game. It's about 2 minutes more.
Ready Freddy, the red blood cell. 3D, the game. Tap Freddy to protect the heart.
We also have instructions.
Ready Freddy, the red blood cell. 3D, the game. Tap Freddy to protect the heart.
Okay, here's the game. You see the free radical, he just comes straight for the heart. So Ready Freddy can fire, send him back along his way, keep him away from the heart and bloodstream. You also see as he's firing on the common cold, he gains a point up in the left corner of the head. So if I stop firing, you notice once the common cold reaches the heart, it changes. It actually changes into a part of the system. So the main objective up until the boss comes is to kind of keep those away as well as the free radical. So in a few moments, you'll see the flu bug come in from the upper right, and he'll make his attack. And you have to basically hit him 150 times in order to destroy the flu. You know the flu is hard to get rid of. So. You'll see that in just a moment. Here they come. That's just his crew. He's not part of his crew. And of course, if they get too close, they'll also sort of make their attack on Freddy. Okay, here comes the flu bug. As you can see, I'm really good with tap action. There's no way I'm going to lose. So we're going to keep firing on the flu bug here. We got to get him out of there. Any questions?
I want to say one suggestion, you can make it so that you can't press the play button until you read the storybook.
Yeah, that is true. But then they'll have to read it every time.
That's true.
But that might be good for kids. I think some kids will actually pick it up and do both.
Yeah.
Because, you know, they like the story and that. I was also thinking about maybe an animated series. And that maybe I could.
Okay.
Thanks to Sean. And then our last presentation, which we will start momentarily as soon as we set up, is Shalay McCleary, who will talk about ulterior motives, the true causes of witch hunts. So we'll just give us a moment to switch screens and we'll be